Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about batch leads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find a list of expired listings in batch leads? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find expired listings in batch leads anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a real estate business, you know that expired listings are a great opportunity because at one point or another, they raise their hand and say they want to sell their house. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your batch leads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my batch leads, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and find a list of expired listings, first you need to choose the area. So you're going to click into here and then choose a zip code, a county, a city. That's really going to depend on your farming area. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and just use a zip code, 90815. Okay, once you see the area, go ahead and click on it. Okay, once you do that, Batch Leads is going to show you a list of the properties they have logged in that area. You can see there's about 100,000 properties. But if we're looking for expired listings, Batch Leads makes it easy. You're going to click here on all filters. Once you do that, click on quick filter. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see this button, failed listings. So failed listings is going to include expired listings, but also going to include listings that were canceled. So as you can see right here, they have about 4,500 properties that they have deemed to be expired failed listings. So you can click here on see properties. Okay, so here is a list. So for me personally, this is a huge list. I wouldn't go after all of these. I'm usually going to go ahead and filter this down some based on your purchase parameters. So I'm going to click here on all filters. And a few that I like to do is, first off, MLS status. I'm going to go for off market. So I'm going to click no right here. Also, I'm personally looking for residential single family. So I'm going to click here property characteristics, property classification, residential, and property type, single family. But you can also choose condos, multi-units. That's really up to you. And you can see we dropped down to about 1,100 properties now. And then also I like to buy from private owners, not corporations or LLCs. So I'll click ownership info, owner type, and individual. Okay, 700 properties. So as you can see, you can continue to filter it down even more and more. So you might want to go ahead and go after properties that have a certain amount of equity. So let's just say maybe the estimated equity is at least 50%. So we have some room to negotiate. Okay, so 499 properties. So once you filtered it down on all of the expired listings, click on see properties down here in blue. Okay, so here is your list. So you can go through and just check the boxes for the homes that you want to add to your lead list. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find a list of expired listings in your Batch Leads account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.